Hi Jessica. I'm going to show you how to update one of our CiviCRM email templates. And the reason for doing this in this example will be to add 3 discount codes that our members can use to get a 15% discount on Linux Foundation events. So here is the general information from Linux Foundation, and here's the event. And here's the CiviCRM homepage. At this point, you basically want to scroll over mailings and then scroll down to message templates and then click on that. And up will come all of the message templates that we use through CiviCRM. So we'll start with the first one here. 1 year, new member, thank you. You can click edit, and in that will come up the template. And you can see currently we have a 10% off Linux Foundation conferences. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. And we're going to go 15%. And we'll raise them to the top because they're our newest benefit provider. And we'll do the same new, we can leave that. And 15% discount on Linux Foundation conferences. And then I know that we are going to have 3 of them, so I better put on spell checking too, because, oops, just turn on spell checking. There we go. Because I tend to be a terrible speller. Oh, there's conferences. Good. Okay. And so we have the 3 that they provided. So here they are. So we can just copy those and then paste them in. Doesn't paste too well. If you hit Control-Shift-V for paste, it just pastes the text. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna sort of clean it up so it looks better. Doesn't look too good here. This might be simply because of the formatting. So let's see if I do this and then push it in one. Oh, that looks better. Oh, we grabbed one too many, so I can just highlight this one and then push it back. There we go. So you notice when I copied just the plain text, I lost the link information. So what I can do is I can just go back to the email, copy link location, that's a right mouse click, and then highlight this, and there's the link button, paste that in, okay, go back to the email, scroll over the link I want to copy link location, highlight that, paste in the URL, go back to the 3rd one, right mouse click, copy link location, highlight what I want to make the link, click the link button, paste, okay, there you go. And just to be nice, we'll put a link to the event itself, so we can just open up another window. Well, here's Open Source Summit. Go to the home page, grab the link there. Oops, where is it? What did I do? Oh, it's in this tab. Open Source Summit North America. Put the link there. This is Open Source Summit EU, I think it's called. Events. Let's see. Open source. I think it's in here. North America. Where's another one? There we go, Open Source Summit Europe. Grab that URL, link, and this one is open source. I'm not even sure what that one is, so I just search for this. That's not it. Go back to the original email. Click here. There we go. Go to home. Open networking. Okay. So we'll grab that URL and then we'll link it. Okay. Alright, so now we've made our changes. Nothing else really needs to change. And once we like that, we will say save down here. And now you can see that it's been saved. And I just like to send me one just to, I hit save and done, it closes it, sorry. Save just saves the changes, save and done saves the changes and then closes the document and takes you back, or the template, and takes you back to the template page. So I just like to make sure I did it right, so I always send one to myself. So here's Patrick Masson, and I'll just go to actions, send an email, grab that template, which was the first year new membership. Okay, good, it's all in there, that looks good. And then I want to send. Alright, message has been sent. Usually it goes pretty quick. We'll get rid of this, I'll check my email. And it should be at the top here. There it is, and I check my links. Open source North America, yeah, looks good. Close these up so I don't confuse myself. There's the discount code. There's the open network. Uh-oh, did I do the wrong one? I might have done the wrong one. There's the second one, open source EU. And I did open source networking. So that's an error. Good thing I check. Open source networking. That's the right one. What about this one? There's the home page for the North America. There's the home page. That's the right one for in France and the European. Open source Europe. And that's right. So I got that one error incorrectly, but we know how to fix that. I just go to mailings, message templates, go to the first one here, and then go back down to, this was where the error was. I can break that link. See, by clicking the little break there, I can then grab the correct one, and by opening this link, I can just select this, copy it, cancel, and then go back over here and paste that. Alright, now I hit save and done. And just to make sure again I've done it right, go to my information, send me a email using that template, and send. Go back to my email, get rid of the old one, check my emails, see if it's come in yet. Nope, try again. Taking a minute. Let's see. Oh, come on, did it send? Yeah, it should be. Taking a minute. Well, here we can probably view it here, and I can test it this way. And there it is. That's the correct one. All right, so it looks good. I'll let you do the remainder, and if you have any questions, let me know. So what I mean by remainder is if you can go through and add that same information, which you could probably just copy and paste to the other message templates. So that would be all the other ones listed here, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then the student and complimentary as well. Because remember, we send student memberships and complimentary memberships as well. Okay, and then here's student renewal memberships. I don't know if we have a complimentary. I think complimentary, just use the same one over and over again. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.